Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the nitty-gritty of travel tech to make your life easier. Today's video is all about how to get a receipt from Vrbo in 2025. Whether you're booking a cozy cabin getaway or need that receipt for taxes, reimbursements, or just keeping your records straight, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Vrbo account. Head over to the Vrbo website or open the app on your phone. If you don't have an account, don't worry, sign up quickly, but assuming you're already a user, enter your email and password to get started. Once you're logged in, look for the Trips or My Reservations section, usually found on the homepage dashboard. This is where all your bookings are listed. Now, select the specific trip for which you need the receipt. Click on the booking details, and you'll see a summary of your reservation, including dates, property info, and payment details. Scroll down or look for a button that says something like View Receipt or Download Invoice. Vrbo makes this straightforward. In 2025, they've streamlined it even more with updated interfaces, so it should be right there. Once you click that, you might get options to view it as a PDF, email it to yourself, or even print it directly. If you're on the app, tap the share icon to send it via email or save it to your device. Pro tip: always double-check that the receipt includes all the key details like the total amount paid, dates, and any fees. If you run into any issues, Vrbo's Help Center is a great resource. Search for receipts or contact their support team. And remember, keeping digital copies in a folder on your phone or computer can save you headaches later. There you have it, folks. Getting your Vrbo receipt is quick and painless. If this helped, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.